My daughter's glow-in-the-dark blanket from VUDECO just came in, and I cannot wait for her to see this. It is so soft and plush, and she's going to absolutely flip when she finds out that it glows in the dark.
Oh my gosh, that looks so like a rainbow.
Right?
It's so fluffy.
It is so fluffy, but now watch this. This blanket makes the perfect night guardian for your kids. It's easy to recharge, and it's also super simple to clean as well.
It's glowing in the... I'm honestly saying this. This is the best blanket I've ever seen.
Do you love it so much?
I can't believe it actually glows in the dark. And also, like, it has every single favorite color of mine. It has red, purple, pink, and blue. Unicorns glow in the dark.